when the economy is under the pressure, companies, large corporates become more cautious. That means they reduce the R&D budget, delay piloting new tools, and shift their focus from innovation to sustaining the existing revenue streams rather than exploring new partnerships, especially with the startups, because they're not, they're early, and the risk of a collaboration with them is pretty high. So for startups, this means securing corporate partnership to drive growth and revenue is much harder. Not only do they face higher expectations, maybe from investors, but they also encounter longer sales cycles and greater difficulties in deals with large companies. So, in your opinion, how can founders navigate these challenges?
Kind of need to refer back to the fact that the value needs to be there. So if you do provide value, then you will still find those customers. Now the question is, if it's a nice to have, it might be that it would be helpful for you to have a bit of a repositioning exercise, because nice to have it for one sector or for one customer type could be a must have for another type. So really kind of taking that step back and doing that exercise all over again to see where does my product fit better if the current kind of market is not working out for me. So back one step, do the repositioning or positioning exercise and see maybe that will help you kind of get to a better segment. And I think maybe one of the things I would also add is that when the big corporations are cutting their R&D, then that is a huge opportunity for small companies because that means that they are not putting money into this kind of experimental things. You are smaller, you are faster, you are leaner. You can do those experiments. You can actually work out those R&D products that the corporation, once they recover, would be interested in using it. And in that case, when they see already a really good product out there, they wouldn't do the R&D themselves. They would rather purchase that. So it's kind of like a preparation period for you, an window of opportunity. And of course, it's very dependent on how much capital you have. So you can't do much if you don't have it. But still, if you are well capitalized and you have the resources or a really good idea, then I think it's worth taking.